Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Make Me Pretty. I'm Tina. I'll be showing you how to use your mask. I have a couple of tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the years because I've tried so many. I personally have a larger face, frame, cheek, head, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but motorcycle helmet, I wear a size large. ATV helmet, large as well. So my head isn't petite or anything like that. So regardless what size head, cheeks you have, I'll try to provide some info on how to make wearing a mask more comfortable for you. So if you'd like to learn, please stay tuned. For this video, I'll be using a mask that I made. This is pretty much the same style that you'll find for disposable masks. So this is the one I'll be using today. So this one I made so that you can put it either way, but then also notice that the pockets, this is from the bottom, and if you turn it this way, the pockets come from the top side. I like to wear the mask when the pockets go this way because I feel like it hugs my nose and my flatter face frame a little bit better. So let me show you. So you want to take this and but first you got to make sure you clean your mouth area. You don't want to have food stains and stuff on it and then directly put your face on the mask. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it directly in the center of your face, and you're going to put it behind your ears. Pull from the center, so from where your nose is at and your chin. You're going to take this and stretch. So stretch only as far as you feel comfortable, but me, I like to go all the way because I want to get a really good coverage. So I'm going to make sure that it fits nicely. So that's how you get it on. So that's one way of applying it, but if you messed up and you don't like the way it feels, it's okay, just take it off and grab it from the side and pull. Start again, put it back. Please do not wear your mask like this because you're getting no coverage from underneath, and up here it's a little bit uncomfortable because when you move it's gonna start sliding. The idea of a mask is to cover your entire nose to your chin, but make sure you get a really nice coverage up here because a lot of people I see wear it like this and it barely covers, and or it's just kind of floating or hanging around your face like this. No, that's not the proper way to wear a mask. Make sure you get good coverage. Now if your mask is too big or your ear loop is too loose, you can always just tie a knot at the ear loop and adjust accordingly, so that way it becomes smaller. But for me, this is perfect. So if I tie it like this, it's going to be a little too tight. And also if your face mask itself is big, tying the ear loop tighter will help bring the mask closer to your face. Now for the ear loops, sometimes when we put it on, it feels slightly tighter on one side versus the other side. What you want to do is you want to adjust this area here. Either if you feel too tight here on this side, what you want to do is you want to bring your mask this way in the direction where you feel that ear loop tighter, because sometimes when you put it on it's slanting to one side. That's why you feel the tension on one side more than the other. So for me, I personally don't like masks that has a filter that goes in between. You'll start seeing a lot of people sew ones where you put the filter in between, but I always put a filter on. So what I like to do is pretend this is a napkin. I like to fold it and place it just like this over my mask. Same setup, you're going to put it over your face, behind your ear, directly from the middle, pull, and adjust. Because I tend to have a runny nose while I'm working, I don't want it to get stuck on the part where my face is going to be touching. This will allow me to remove it and change it out if necessary, or after a while it gets really moist inside there and you're going to be wearing this all day or maybe part of your day. You don't want to keep it moist while it's on your face, so it's good to put the filter. If you want to get a cloth or tissue or paper towel or something, you can always change it out every hour or so, whatever you feel is more comfortable for you. This last step I'm going to teach you is what I use at work, because sometimes I'm wearing it all day and the back of my ear hurts. So this tip I absolutely love. I'm going to take my hair tie and I'm going to loop it over and pull. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go like this, put it over and pull. So basically we're creating an extension of the mask. Now I'm gonna tie up my hair, because while I'm working on clients, I don't want hair in my face. So all of my clients usually see me like this at work. Sometimes I'm hiding behind a hat and a mask and all of that stuff. So I like to do this to get my hair out of the way. And then for my mask. So I like mine to be facing this direction because I feel like for me it fits a lot better. But for you guys, you can turn it around, or if your mask allows it to be reversible, you can check other sides to see what fits better. So now, let's see. So my pockets are right here versus pockets at the bottom. Now I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to take my string and I'm going to put it over my hair I just tied. So this will allow my hair to evenly hold the pressure of my mask, and I'm going to adjust the sides. And then since the loop is here, I'm going to put it here and I'm going to slide it here. So that way this part of my ear doesn't take the heavy load of having the string pull on it. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, please comment down below, and or you can always message me on my Instagram, or my email info is going to be underneath. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.